Welcome to VoroMotors. So you want me? We have Jimmy and Andrew from Got Scooter, and they're going to be testing out a few of our units, and we'll see how it goes. Welcome to VoroMotors. Today we got something cool going on in the office today. We have Jimmy and Andrew from Got Scooter.
What's up, guys? Jimmy Chang here with Andrew. We're super excited. Special thanks to the folks at VoroMotors for having us over so that we can test out their scooter lineup and check out how their whole operation runs. We're excited to take the tour.
And we're going to be testing out a few of our units today, and let's see how that goes.
Pallets all over here. These, to my knowledge, are refurbished scooters. Yeah, so we have our station right here for people to hold right here. It takes care of just bringing out orders and making sure we have stock, what we have in stock, what we don't have in stock. We have our packers on that side. Our quality check. Our technicians over here. We have to get really fast. We have more refurbished scooters on this side.
And what do you do with the refurbished scooters?
With the refurbished scooters, we do sell those as refurbished scooters at a lower price.
Is it online on the website?
Yeah.
Alright. That's the smallest tires I've ever seen on a electric scooter. You guys sell it still?
I don't think so.
No, we definitely do not sell that still, yeah.
We don't sell this.
I think we only have just a few of those, and it's really just used to ride around in the warehouse just to get around, so. Yeah.
Person, which is over there now.
So these are shipped sent to
customers. Yeah. Here you get sorted, you get fixed. Now when you're done, customers aware, we let them know that it's done, they get sent back to them. And then we have all our parts and some accessories over here.
Yeah, we'll double check it. Okay, that's what I was looking for. I was trying to have it complete because it comes stock with it. Right, yeah. This is a Roadrunner tire?
Yep, Roadrunner tire. At least 1,000 tires here, and we have more like back stock up on the Panorama.
Oh yeah, you guys fly the tires, huh?
Yeah. Just to make sure like customers don't miss that downtime.
Yeah, absolutely.
Scooter, when you get your shipment here,
right?
Does anything happen before it goes to the customer?
Yeah, so I can show you the whole process.
Okay. Yeah, I'd be interested in that. So meaning when a batch comes in, you check all of them,
yep,
get the sheet in, and then when it's time to ship out, then you stop the
Correct.
Yeah, first introduce yourself. So this is Christian, right? This is Christian. VoroMotors, tell us what you do here. So that's one of the big advantages of buying from a dealer, a reputable dealer like Voro is you have the service center backup. 90 to 95% of the repairs are same-day repairs. They come in, you fix them, they're out.
Yeah, correct. But we also cannot guarantee.
Not guaranteed, but pretty impressive.
Yeah. Okay.
All right, so here's Jefferson. He's going through the QC process that Melvin just walked us through. And basically, every scooter that comes in, they unpack. It goes through this QC checklist to make sure it's fully operating and in good condition. And they even clean it off afterwards before sending it out to you guys once you've made your purchase online. So you can see Jefferson here, hard at work. Now this is a 2-year-old prototype of a project that Voro has been working on. All these things are a lot of fun, pure joy, and I have to agree with that. My wife would agree with that, and I can't wait to take this around the roads here in Southern California.
Hey lady, we drive on the right here. She's on her phone. Perfect, you got the pads and the scooter to make.
Check it out!